Well, we're going to head out the trail on the new Skandik. We understand that getting to the main trail is going to be a little on the difficult side due to the fact that the snow drifts are pretty bad in that direction. We're going to find out. Well, we woke up to 24 degrees below zero this morning. It was supposed to have been like 7 below for our low. Right now it's about 14 degrees below zero as we head out the trail. The low back support, yep.
Just a low back and even barely that.
Oh! Well, let's see if we can do this.
Yeah.
Getting a lot of emails wanting to know about this, that, and the other. And the best thing I can do is come on here and tell you that yesterday was memorable. We went out to Groom Trail because Michelle wanted to make a post office run on her own. And we flipped that Skidoo at least a dozen times. And that is in the first 3 miles of what we call the Meadow Trail that leads over to the Fairbanks Sled Dog Trail. And you know how it goes. But the trail was so bad. We, first of all, couldn't see where the pack trail was because it was so windblown. We kind of guesstimated that the high ridge was the right-hand side of the trail because the wind was blowing from the other direction. But that put us at an odd angle, and the GoPro kept freezing up, so we didn't get anything on video. And the fix for that is at the post office, and Michelle will be picking that up, and well, she should be arriving any moment now. And we're still dealing with sub-zero temperatures. The weatherman says it's going to be nice, and it's just the opposite. It's going to be warm, and it's just the opposite. Thus is the way it is when you're in the Alaskan bush, as we are. We do hope to have video up very soon of the electrical rework that I'm doing. Stand by for that. We're introducing you to a product called the UPUS 1200, which is a power bank that I am very impressed with. And Michelle's going to be doing some more camping videos. That's all coming up. So stay tuned for that. Got out here earlier and worked on Lucy, and she is running really, really nice right now, engine-wise. I've still got to top off oils and whatnot under the cowling there, but she is percolating now. What happened?
I hit a tree.
What?
You know that tree we talked about taking down that's right in the middle of the trail?
Yeah, well, I don't know.
That tree. About yay big around, right in the middle of the trail. We always have to go around it.
Okay, yeah.
Well, we didn't take it down, and I slid around it right into another tree.
Uh-oh.
And I can't get the...
Well, the video you just saw, that was yesterday, Friday. It's now Saturday. We got dumped on during the night. Nice little snowfall. And the reason you saw Michelle walking is because of this spot right here. To the left here is a slough. To the right, believe it or not, is a very steep little bank. And the birch tree you see here in the middle of your screen to the right, you go through there and you're tipped over to the left pretty far. Over here on the left of that birch tree, Michelle was, well, you can probably see where she was there. The bank, or the trail, I should say, caved in on her and brought her machine right into a stand of birch saplings here that I have since cut out of the way. And she was not a happy camper. But the damage is repairable. Well, as I said, we got dumped on last night. And it's still snowing just a little bit. But when she plowed into the trees, it broke the right fender off. And not only did it do that, but it ripped the windshield off. Like I said, both things fixable. And as usual, yesterday the GoPros kept freezing, and so I got no video other than like 2 seconds. But in the sled, Michelle brought the solution for that, I do believe. I'll show you what it is. This is SupTig. Not what's up Tig, but SupTig. This is a battery backup system for the GoPro. What it does basically is you mount your GoPro, then connect the, actually that's the wrong cable, but the cable from here to the GoPro. And this battery is pretty well protected in there, so at extreme cold temperatures, you're not going to have your GoPro go down on you. And it seems to work pretty doggone good. These are available. You can find them on Prime. That's where I found this one. I got one for my camera and one for Michelle's new GoPro 13 that I gave her for her birthday. Well, we seem to be going from one extreme to the other. Last night it was 24 degrees below zero, and here at 8:15 in the morning it's -4. Well, coming up in our next video, I'm gonna step you through how I take all of this and turn it into a compact, easy to understand power base. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you would like this video, share it, leave us a comment, and above all, subscribe to the channel.